tell us where we're going.
We are going to my aunt's house for the E36.
All right, Jerry, come show off this vehicle.
She's so pretty.
She is?
She's so pretty.
Oh.
She doesn't lock, by the way.
Oh.
I don't have a key for her. This is the key.
Oh.
Here we go. Let's see inside.
What the bro? I'm sitting. Why is there a Sharpie in here?
I don't know, but I wouldn't touch it.
Let me hear it. I can smell the straight pipe. This thing has been... Oh, he put like scotch tape behind this banner. Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Oh, what's going on? Is there a vacuum leak?
Who does that?
Oh, that's vacuum leak.
Yeah, I'll show you how to fix it.
Yeah, that's vacuum, my boy. Oh my, look at this front camber.
That's how you fix it.
What is that? Okay. Your mass?
You got the underglow wiring. You literally just put this on the positive and this on the, or nope, where's the negative?
The negative on the negative.
This is on the negative, this on the positive.
Yeah.
And then you got underglow. We got the sub wire. You just shove that in there.
Okay.
You got a sub.
There's rust holes everywhere.
It's pretty cold in there too because there's no heat or AC.
This thing is gonna be so fun for you.
I know.
What is that?
Now she's got a sub. Let's bump her.
Now she has a sub. Oh. We're spinning. Yeah. Yep, we're definitely spinning. I think she's stuck right here. The window switch. This Sharpie is really concerning.
I don't know what it does.
Oh! I had the board to push my legs with. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to push it from here. I'm gonna try.
Dude, this thing is sick.
Have you not seen the Bondo quarters?
Here's the bolt hole rust hole. Not over on that side. This side is the bolt hole rust hole.
There's one over there?
Yeah!
I didn't see
I can see my foot through it.
Yeah, it has a wire going through it.
It's probably for the underglow.
It does! He was like, I'm gonna use it to my advantage. Dude, that thing sounds mean.
Yo, guess what type of coils he has?
I have no clue.
Max speeding rods.
Did you not see him in 8? Do you have max speeding rods? No.
I have Racelands. They're not any better, but like they're better than that.
Well, his aren't C.
Okay. Look at Anthony under this thing.
I do like it.
So once you turn this, you hold it. Yeah, obviously hold the clutch, and you press this button in. Right when it starts, you press it again so it presses out, so you don't burn the starter.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Press it.
Now L.
Oh. With that said, you're an idiot for spending $7 grand on it.
Okay.
You got that shit.
All right, Jared.
Get ready.
Jared. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Start turning the other way. Yeah. Keep going. No. Stop. Go straight. Go straight. You can see me through the window. In the Crocs.
Keep going hard left. Right. You're free.
All right, you're free.
You're free.
Make it down. Look at this thing. Look at that tie rod extension. I need angle like that.
You're free.
This thing is sick. Yeah, that welded diff you're gonna have to get used to. All right, I'll get it. Oh my god. Oh, I see what you mean about like this, like the shifting. What the?
I don't know what that is.
It just stays. Dude, don't you dare. You've never drifted. Don't you dare.
Should I?
I mean, if you want, like, I'm not stopping you. Just like give it a little beans, see if you do it. Well, it's a drift car. This thing gets out. This thing gets out, bro. You excited? Is this the best purchase ever?
I just missed the gear.
I bought this car off of winnings from the casino. You spun the wheel in GTA 5 and got it on the car. Yep. What are you talking about? This is what dreams are made of, kids. You can make it happen too.
Go
Just
gamble.
go to the casino.
Gamble all your money away.
Oh yeah. That's the one reason why I don't like bucket seats. Is getting out.
Dude, it's the worst. Just wait till after your first drift event and you have to drive home in the bucket seat. Your back is gonna feel like it's 70 years old.
Whoa. Maybe for him, but our bucket seats are tits.
I just drove home.
You?
I just drove
Dude.
an hour. We just drove an hour home.
Hey,
After a drift event.
JJ drove an hour home.
I drove the longest time.
Please don't rip open your oil pan. Turn it like this way. I think you can clear it. A little more. Little.